In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your presentation when PowerPoint just won't save your work. We all know the frustration of working on a presentation and then suddenly encountering an issue where PowerPoint refuses to save your hard work. But don't worry, I have a simple solution to help you recover your unsaved presentation quickly and easily. The first thing you'll want to do is open PowerPoint on your computer. If you've been working on your presentation, you likely have the program already running, but if not, go ahead and launch it. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to your PowerPoint presentation. It's crucial to have it at the forefront of your workspace so that finding and recovering your unsaved work becomes straightforward. Next, look for the File tab in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on it to bring up a menu with several options. From here, you're going to want to select the Open tab. This step might seem counterintuitive if you're trying to save your work, but trust me, it will make sense in just a moment. Now here's where the magic happens. Scroll down to the very bottom of the Open tab's menu, where you'll find the Recover Unsaved Presentations button. This button is your lifesaver, as it opens a tool that PowerPoint provides to help you retrieve work that hasn't yet been saved. Go ahead and click that button and you'll be taken to a directory of unsaved files. You should now be able to see a list of unsaved presentations. Browse through this list to locate the specific presentation you're looking to recover. Most of the time, PowerPoint will have labeled these presentations with a timestamp, which should make it easy for you to identify your document based on when you last worked on it. Once you've identified your unsaved presentation, the final step is to click Open. This action will open your presentation so you can save it properly. You'll want to go back to the File tab and choose Save as this time, which allows you to save your work with a specific file name and location, ensuring it's securely stored for future edits. And there you have it, a straightforward method to recover your unsaved PowerPoint presentation. This process is a real lifesaver during critical moments when you thought all your hard work was lost. Make sure to save your work frequently to avoid the need for recovery tools. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.